And here's for my dimmer over here. Let's get that pushed all the way back in there. Okay. That should give me plenty. That should give me plenty of room. For this, getting it pushed in there, pretty sure that's going to be fine. It's still going to take a little bit of doing to get all these wires in there, my word. First things first, though, right? Okay. Let's see. I might have to push that back in like that. Okay. That's my power. That's looking good there. And then I've got another wire up in there. I can kind of push on that inside the box. Okay. So let's keep that. That was the power. For that. Okay, so now let's, like I said, it didn't matter which black wire to hook up to this switch, right? I'm going to re-hook up the ground first. Just pinch the end so I can now tighten that up. And I want to look at that and make sure top is top, and that says top on there, so I know I've got that correct. And you know what? I'm going to cut these. I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter. I'm getting the full Monty. So let's get my wire cutters out. I'm going to cut them about there. Just make them a little bit shorter. I could have cut them with my wire strippers. I got my wire strippers. I'll strip that off. And I want it long enough to go in the back, but not so long that the bare copper is showing on the back side after I put it in. Okay. That looks about right. Okay, so now I'm going to hook those back and just put them right back in the back. Let's see. Got that one in. Got that one in. Okay. Ooh, look at that. This one. See, look at that. It's not holding. There. Now it did. And now it's come off again. Okay. I don't trust that top one. So now what? Well, now I've got to strip this back longer. I usually make it about 1 inch. And I can guess at it, or I can hold my tape measure up there. That's right at 1 inch. And I'm going to take my hook, put that in there, about 1/8 of an inch, and turn that up. Boom, like that. See there? That's what I want. And I'm going to undo the side screw. You can loosen it up just about all the way until you start feeling it tight. You can't just undo the screw. I mean, you can if you really crank on it at that point. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this sideways like that. And I've got to get it on that screw. So get this out as far as I dare. Think. Now I can put that there like that, and then I pull it over this direction like that. And try to get in there with my stripper and just try to grab the tip of it so I can push it in. Come on. There. Okay, so that's nice on there. Now I can tighten that screw up. That's never coming off. Okay, like that. And I could have done that on this bottom one, but that one's holding nice and tight. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one. Okay, so now I can put this one back in. I hold my fingers back in here like that, and then bend this section up so it kind of does whoosh, like that, and then I can kind of rearrange these wires, kind of push them back in there so I can get my switch back in like that. Okay. Come on. Good Lord. Okay, there. I usually take these screws out. This one's held by that little cardboard washer. See, now they're out of my way. Now I can kind of hold it up in there and push it in there and not have the screw in my way. See? There. I don't really need that little washer thing, but I'll stick it back on fine. Now I can get it in my hole. Grief. My other screw, put the washer on it. It doesn't really need the washer at that point. The washer thing is just to keep the screw intact so you don't lose it. Got it facing up. It's pushing in nice. I've got those wires relocated. Boy, that took a little bit of effort, didn't it? Oh, looks about right where it goes. I'm going to look at that. I can always adjust that a little bit when I put the cover plate on. Okay, that looks good. Right like that. Okay. Now I got all kinds of room in there. See there? Wires, those wires are pushed back nice. I mean, I could have, had I not done that, I would have had to have really finagled hard, and the wire probably still would have been in my way. Okay, so now because I'm going to have wire nuts on here.
Michael?
Yeah.